as the lotus does not touch the water. So one's spirit should remain unsoiled by the world. Begin your journey to inner harmony by understanding and balancing your chakras. The chakras are very intelligent. They are like the software of the whole computer body. Discover the roles and significance of each chakra in your well-being. Health does not always come from medicine, most of the time. It comes from peace of mind, peace in the heart, peace of the soul. Learn to listen to your body and recognize signs of imbalance. Intention is the seed that creates our future. Set clear intentions for balance and healing in each energy center. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Explore techniques like yoga, meditation, and color therapy to balance each chakra. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Hippocrates. Align your diet with your chakra healing journey. When you touch one thing with deep awareness, you touch everything. Thich Nhat Hanh. Look forward to a newfound sense of balance, peace, and well-being. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible. And suddenly you are doing the impossible. Francis of Assisi. Take the first step on your path to chakra balance today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guidance on your spiritual journey. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Arthur Ashe. Begin your journey today. And remember to subscribe and follow for more content on personal development and mastering your destiny.